So, we've been working hard getting the house ready. 4 o'clock. We're having a party. Birthday party. Nina. It's number 60 up. Did you see the lightning? There's that thunder. Oh, big thunder. Alright, and here comes the rain. So, we have about 3 hours before people will arrive. Hoping it blows through. But as we all know, it's what you make the party to be, not dependent on the weather. So, I believe it will be sunny, beautiful. And this is the Swedish summer, as they say. All right. Cheers to Mother Nature. Talk to you guys later. Hej då.